Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Reggiejaysneakz coming at you guys today with a new video. As you guys see down from the title down below, I'm be doing a new mod on my Chrysler 300. If you guys are ready to see this mod that I'm gonna do on my Chrysler 300, I need you guys to go ahead and stop what you guys are doing. Drop a like on this video right now, as well as a comment. And if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys have notification bell set to on, and make sure you guys have notification bell set to all, so you guys know when I drop a new video and when I'm dropping. Now I know you guys probably saying why I didn't say anything about the previous subscribers. Is because if you guys are already subscribed, you guys should already have a notification bell set on. And if you guys don't, you guys can go ahead and stop what you guys are doing like the rest of these guys, and make sure you guys have notification bell set to on. But with all that being said, everybody, let's go and get straight into this video. So in the meantime, between time, you guys are gonna get straight into. Alright, so starting off, I'm about to go ahead and unbox my mod. They kind of put this mod in the big old box. I'm not sure why they did it, but hey, to each his own. Better to be safe than sorry. This mod that I did get, just a little bit backstory real quick while I'm unboxing it. It just, I bought this same part before and I kind of got scammed on it. Had to wait almost a month to get my money back. I was a little skeptical on going ahead and buying this part again, but I ended up finding it online through a legit seller. So I actually ended up buying it, and the part that I'm actually going to do and add on my car is the third brake light. You guys can do this mod to your car. Third brake light goes out, you guys can do this mod. Or if you guys don't have a backup camera, and which is why I am changing this out on my car. As you guys can see on here, I'm showing you guys the part number and everything, but I want to change this out on my car because I don't have a reverse backup camera on my 300. I'm not sure why it didn't come with it, but it didn't, and I want to make sure it was as OEM as possible. So I got the OEM one from off of eBay. This one was used, as you guys can see. It's still not bad. The adhesive is still good. No scratches or anything on here. Checking out the back, it does have the camera, have all the plugs, everything is good. So I guess this seller was actually good, because like I said before, I ordered this part and supposedly it got crushed, but I think the person just really didn't send anything. But that's all for another story. For this mod, you guys would just need 10mm as well as tire remover. All right, so we finally got downstairs to the car. Once you guys pop the trunk open, you guys are gonna see a whole bunch of plastic tabs. This is where you guys wanna use your plastic tire remover or a flathead screwdriver just to pop them off. Me, I popped off all the tabs closer to the emergency release trunk, and that just made the carpet come down halfway, and I can pretty much reach my hand in and see the 2mm bolt and all of the wires. So you guys pretty much pick and choose if you guys want to take off the whole carpet or if you guys don't. Now, once you guys take off carpet, you guys are gonna see the 2mm bolts and all the wires. You want to pretty much unplug all the wires, and then you guys want to take off the 10mm bolts. Once you guys take out 10mm bolts, you want to just get your socket, loosen up the bolts. If you guys want to take them all the way out with the socket, you guys can. Me, on the other hand, I loosened up the bolts and then took out the rest by hand. Now, after you take them all the 10mm bolts off by hand, the light should just fall down towards you. If it doesn't and the adhesive is still sticking, you pretty much want to just pull it down towards the trunk, and it should just come out. This was the one I had in my car. You guys can see it did not have a camera on there. It only had just one plug, one gray plug, and then one black plug, and that's pretty much just it. Now, once you guys pretty much want to install the new one, you guys want to just pretty much install it the same exact way. Push the light forward up towards the trunk, and then insert the two 10mm bolts by hand. And then you guys want to just pretty much re-plug in everything. And if you guys never had a backup camera on your 300, you're pretty much just going to have one extra cord, which is going to be a black cord, and I'll show you guys that black cord later on. Now, this is the black cord I was talking about. This black cord is going to go to this gray socket right here, which is just going to be right on the trunk, and you just pretty much want to plug in the other two sockets back into their original spots. Now, once you plug up everything and bolt everything back up, you just pretty much want to put all the tabs back into place and just pretty much put everything back up and make sure everything plugs back in the right way. And once you plug everything back up the right way, your light should be just in there. This is how the finished product will look. I love how it looked, the button on one side and the camera on the opposite side. But I could not finish out the install, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. And once you guys put up all the tabs and plug up everything the correct way, your camera should come right on. The only reason why I'm not showing you guys my camera coming on is because it actually did not come on, because my car computer is still showing that I do not have no backup camera connected to the car. Which, even though I do, the car is still registered that I don't, so I have to get another mod, which is the taser, and I'm gonna get that to add to the 300 so I can make sure that my camera works and it works out perfect. If you guys already have a camera on your 300, you guys probably don't need the taser, but if you guys do not have a camera on your car and you want to add a backup camera just like I just did, you guys will need to get a taser. So make sure you guys do buy a taser if you guys want to get a backup camera or add a backup camera if it's not aftermarket or whatever. You guys want to add the OEM one to your 300, because that was pretty much going to bypass the computer and let you guys pretty much get all the options that you need to get on your 300s. But with all that being said, I already ordered. Once that come in, I will update you guys and show you guys how the camera looks and show you guys how to set up a taser and everything else. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because like I told you guys, I have a lot of stuff coming for my car. I already have a lot of stuff here at home for my car. It's just I work a full-time job, so it's kind of hard, like, you know, still coming home from work and editing videos. But I feel like this is an excuse. I probably just need to just go ahead and manage more of my time and try to get more videos out to you guys. But with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this mod. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. So in the meantime, between time, you guys, Reggiejaysneakz is out of this joint. I'll see you guys.